Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad, because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is very similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the software info. And the code is *#6776#. And as I said, we are in the software info version, so here we can check, for example, the model, the Android version, the master date, branch, build time, or my career version. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the hardware revision, and the code is *#888#. And as you can see, we are in the engineering mode, so here we've got the QR code which we can scan with another device and check some further details. And here we've got the PCB number. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics which are provided by Google. It is *#426#. And of course I've made a mistake, #**. That's what I said. So here, as I said, we are in the diagnostics. We can check the server, host, port, time connected, and signal level should also be right here. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see here, we've got more info. So here we can check, for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code is *#225#***. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the firmware version, and this code is probably the easiest one to remember, because it is *#1234#. And as I said, here we've got the version. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.